you a PS4 user still wondering which titles to play next, as all the best ones are in PS5's basket? We have good news for you. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming updates. From gripping adventures, beautiful visuals, and unforgettable stories, there's still plenty to get out of PS4 games. Here are the best PS4 games you can play right now. The first is Red Dead Redemption 2. It's absolutely a once-in-a-generation game. Not only does it build upon the lofty legacy left by its predecessor, it manages to push the RPG genre to a new level. Its world is teeming with wildlife, from a diverse range of birds to large beasts like bears and bulls. Although it's a prequel, there's plenty in its epic story to keep players guessing. Bloodborne is an action role-playing game that lets you explore the gothic world of Yharnam as a character simply called the Hunter. Your goal is to explore Yharnam, or to put it more simply, survive it. Its dark streets are full of powerful monsters that can't be taken down with a few simple button presses. Uncharted 4, A Thief's End is the last part in this saga of Nathan Drake. This action-adventure series combines third-person cover shooting with climbing sequences. The Uncharted series is one of the best in-games for cinematic presentation, and Uncharted 4 is no exception. The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt is one of the best PS4 games because Geralt's story will take you through a fascinating fantasy world free of the usual character. This game is huge, and it's one of the few open-world games where no task and no side quest feels extra. If you're a fan of RPGs, don't miss it. And at last, The Last of Us Part 2. Ellie is older, and having grown up in a broken world filled with terror, she's been hardened to a point where she's barely recognizable as the little girl from the first game, and somehow the game manages to compel you to keep playing. It's impressive, intoxicating, and deeply upsetting. A real modern classic. So, which one's your favorite? Comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.